How did this happen? Let's go slightly back. The premise of this video is for me and you learn about compute shaders through slime simulation. This is a compute shader. Inside it looks like this. All it does right now is it assigns the color of the cell based on its position. But if you run it right now, then you won't see anything. You need a C# script to actually see it. This C# script assigns the render texture and it sends the amount of threads using the dispatch command. This is the pattern that it created. So basically you have an agent. This agent can look up, left, and right. It will detect some pheromones left by other agents and will try to go to the one with the maximum pheromone amount. And that's it. That's all it does. Now enjoy the simulation.